What do I use for this? What is this called? Spectacle on KDE Plasma. I'm pretty sure. If you're on Windows, the program that I recommend is called.
Sorry about that.
Zoom
I didn't even
It.
notice.
So if you're on Windows, I'll open this up.
There should be audio now.
is-
Okay, we're good. We're good.
Is this thing? It's called Zoom It on Windows, where you can zoom in and you can draw on the screen. This is like the worst quality of video I've ever seen, but
Those tunes are a vibe. Thank you. Unlike Bitlytics music, it's actually good.
Boy.
Just kidding. We both have goated music. We just have different music. Who doesn't love Funky Friends? Why did it reset my... Grr. Oh wait, no. Is this breaking stuff on my flying fire projectile enemy? No, it's not. Okay, we're good.
so where does this reach? Yes, not present. Time to be serialized.
Haven't tuned in a while. How you doing soon? Pretty good.
Oh.
We're just working on stuff still. I can show you some new stuff we've been doing.
Because I'm not setting this right. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now that actually does
Right now,
something a little weird.
go ahead. I'm working on this new enemy who shoots lasers at you. He's a little scary. There we go. That looks good. And then the big thing we've been working on is we now have like elemental stats that you can like level up, and that'll give you like buffs and stuff. I like new stuff. I think the newest was a glass gun. Oh yeah, that was a while ago. So yeah, there's been some cool stuff since then. So now whenever you like collect items and cards, they have different types, and as you increase those types, you'll get like buffs for that type, and then they'll kind of interact with each other. So like for example, I just added a bubble gun that shoots bubbles, and then if I hit something with it, it'll give it like a wet status effect, and that'll make it take increased damage from lightning attacks. So for example, the SMG is a lightning type card. So I spawn another dummy. This one over here isn't wet, takes 6 damage, and then the one over here takes 8. So they'll kind of interact with each other to do different cool stuff. That's just like a very basic one right now. And then certain cards will like only interact with specific damage types. So like, where's salmon? Salmon will spawn salmon when you hit with lightning type damage, but if you hit it with like something else, it won't. So lots of basically just more stuff that allows for more interactions. There's like new status effects. So we have like a needle gun that shoots like little poison needles. So like does very little damage, but it'll stack up like a bunch of poison on the enemy. And then eventually you'll have cards that'll like do stuff depending on how much poison you put on an enemy. So lots of fun stuff. And video, I was actually playing some earlier to do some recording because I posted a little short that absolutely sucks, but who cares? And it's way more fun with like all the status effects. Like even though they don't really interact at all, it's just so cool just seeing all the little things over the enemies, and like it feels like there's so much more going on even when there isn't really. So I really like it.
I'm happy that you're able to work on like the usable and fun parts of the game as well.
Yeah.
Like you were able to add poison, you were able to add wet as well, I think you said you added.
Yep, it works right here, as you can see. And I can apply them both at the same time. And then if I take a I can get every status effect at once. Hold up, where's the spicy noodles? Here we go. He has all of the status effects.
Whoa, how did we get here? Type of fucking dummy.
He takes
but yeah,
41 damage per tick. Or no,
it was from the fire.
I guess that's from the fire, right? Yeah. What if we had like instead of the damage numbers being like each individual hit, it like combines all the damage like within a time period and puts it into one big damage number. Just kidding. That would be annoying. That would.
It wouldn't be that annoying, but we can.
I don't know. That's good in like competitive games where it's like you want to see exactly how much damage you just did to somebody, but in this, I don't think that's really useful.
Yeah. But they also, I don't know. I'm very happy that you're able to work on that and that it's usable enough so that I don't feel super like I don't feel like the game's super stale and stagnant while I'm like over here adding like systems and shit.
Yeah.
Like setting up save stuff is like this isn't really gonna show very much until after it gets used, but like I don't have to like handhold you to add certain things because it just works.
Depending on the thing.
Yeah.
I don't recall, is the demo out? No, not yet. We still have a lot of stuff we want to do. We wanted to have a demo for next fest, but there is a playtest. It does not have all of the fun elemental stuff quite yet. That's what we're working on. So
elemental stuff.
I mean, it has fire barely.
Does it?
Yeah.
Does it get used anywhere? What?
Yeah, there's the lighter sticker and spicy noodles is in there too.
Oh, those were in that playtest. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't remember that being a thing. Oopsies.
But yeah, does add a lot of depth. That's like the main thing is we really needed something to kind of bring all the cards and stuff together, and I think it's really gonna help a lot. It also helps with like coming up with builds and like items and cards. Like even just a few like the bubble gun, things like that. There's had a lot of interaction. I love the bubble gun so much. But, if or when you want, I'd be happy to play test for you guys and record my playthrough. That would be great. Maybe once we get like this next update out with the elemental stuff, you can try that out and see what you think. We're always happy to take more playtesters. So, are you in the Discord for the game? I don't remember, because that's where we compile most of our like feedback and stuff.
Dude, you said compile.
Compile.
Programming.
I'm programming. I'm using.
Never used compiled
Java.
language, have you? Oh no, did you ever use C++?
No.
Okay.
I use Java
I guess.
though.
Yeah, that's still not. I mean, it's like kind of compatible, like not.
I mean, it like kind of is.
Kind
Not,
of
but I'll join it.
not,
All right. There should be a. Let me just do this. There's probably a link somewhere, but hey, look, it works.
Yeah, if you do exclamation mark Discord,
yeah,
yours should show up.
mine does show up.
Yours.
I think it depends on whose chat you do it in, but yeah. I don't think you would do it in
Yeah.
your chat. Anyways, let me figure out how the heck the laser pointer bubble thing is working. Hello, Shenya. How are you doing? Oh, I forgot. I literally forgot these are just gradient textures. You might be the worst to ever do it.
What do you mean? How?
You just started? I'm pretty sure I'm the one who made this in the first place. Which is funny.
Can you return null as a string? I don't think you can, right? Like, I think string's one of those ones that can't be nullable. Yeah. I honestly don't get that. I'll be real, but I don't know. Godot seems.
You want to end stream right now and hop on Fortnite?
No. What?
Okay. I was just wondering. If you don't
Yeah.
have to.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that they put the burnt peanut in Fortnite?
I saw. It looked so bad. It might be the worst thing I've ever seen.
One, it looks so bad. too.
It's like kind of hilarious.
That guy
how
is
bad
like
it
a
is.
fucking moron.
Yeah, that too. It's I hope they add him to Rocket League.
I hate
I want a
you.
little topper.
Yeah, you would.
Alright, bro.
You get it? Because, like,
Yeah. I don't
yeah, I
get
don't
yeah.
think you do. That's
Yeah.
okay.
Anyway, 6'7", am I right? Sorry.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So how does this work on the laser visual? Is this using line render? This is using line render. Is it using line render on hit?
Okay, I think this should work. So let me, where am I calling load data? It should be only in, I guess it's in 2 places. Oops. Let's get rid of that. So let me rerun the game, and
have no
I
clue
will.
what this is doing. I'm not gonna lie.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to give the guy the little ball gradient texture thing that like looks nice, you know?
Yeah, it's like part of the. You just like show a sprite whenever he fires, and you hide the sprite when he's not.
Yeah, what about... I'll figure it out. Never mind. I got it.
Okay. Yeah, you got this.
Let me lock
I
in.
don't believe in you.
I don't believe in me either.
So card DB.
Oop, that's the wrong scene.
Get unlocked cards. That's the one that matters now. And I'll have to go through and change all of your changes and things. So, of the cards that are currently in, I have AK Auto Turret, Op, Energy Drink, Knife, Rusty Pistol, and Soul Dispenser unlocked. Let's say I were to go into my save file because I'm an evil bastard, and I were to change this so I now have card bowling ball unlocked.
Although,
If I hit Q, and then
oh wait,
F,
because these are both here, I see.
bowling ball was not in fact unlocked. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, because I'm not calling this method, am I? This isn't gonna... I'm stupid, I think. Yeah, I'm just not calling this method. Let's be in the save. So after serialization, or deserialization, I can do post load. Post load. Okay, still didn't work. That's cool. Why?
That looks very cool.
Is this overriding my no? What? Unlocked cards is an array. Is that not being assigned out? Am I being stupid and dumb? Deserialize, serialize data. Setting unlocked cards to... I don't understand. Why isn't that working? Oh, weird. What?
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 Oh.
If the property does not exist, or the given value's type doesn't match, or the given value's type doesn't match. Oh my god. It's because the type doesn't match. It's because the type doesn't match.
It's because
Tragic.
the type doesn't match.
It's because the type doesn't match. So I need to coerce this into being the right type of array. What can I do with that? At least that's what my bet is, and I should actually double check.
At this point, I just like don't even use the enemy spawning debug thing anymore because I'm too lazy
Yeah, I
to
should
like
probably get
add
rid of it,
new
to be
ones to it.
honest.
I don't
Yeah.
know, that looks bad. Okay, I think I know why. Oh. Let's restart.
Okay, so that does work. It's because it doesn't match the type. Shit. That's fine though. Prop data. Hold up, print. Prop. So you are type 28. I'm assuming that is type array. Can I do variant dot type? Yeah, type is 28, which is array. Tragic. However, you also have hint string, which is set to 4, which I imagine is variant type for string. It sure fucking is. I don't even know what to begin to turn this into the correct variable type, actually. Can I say... Can you change the type of an array? Is typed. Oh no, array dot. Creates a typed array from the base array. A typed array can only... Okay, great. Link class name. Oh, that's annoying a little bit. So I could do this. I could say if prop data is array, I can do this. And explicitly set it here, else do this. Type array is an array who is from prop data with a type of prop.get. What is this? It is type, and the hint string is what I also want. Oh, maybe not. sorry, that's array type. It would be, I think it would just be hint string here, right? Let's find out if this works. This might crash, but who knows? Okay, non-existent array constructor. Sure. Okay, there we go. That works. Does this work? Oh shit. Okay, that did work. Ooh, that's gonna lead to a weird issue though, potentially. Actually, no, it won't, because I get to tell JW not to do things, and that's okay. Can I do the same thing with a dictionary? Can I construct you from a type? I can. Oh god. What does a dictionary look like, actually?
Usually it has a lot of words and definitions in it.
Yeah, that might be true. I don't know, though. Can someone confirm? Any confirmers in chat?
Nope. There's nobody in
Okay.
chat. They all hate us.
What? Yeah, no, that's fair. Honestly, I don't really blame them. So if we were to do this and rerun this.
Why does that look weird? Oh, wait, I see why it looks evil.
Oh, this is not gonna save at all. Hmm? I thought I told this to... Weird. Weird. I thought this would run and save the thing, but apparently it's not. What the hell you could do? Maybe run this. Oh, sorry. You love when your favorite furry streams when you're trying to switch to Linux. Yeah, he streams 3 times a week, so I you can usually like predict when he's gonna be live. JW, that is.
What?
Nothing, don't worry about it. Okay, so that did save. So let's say I were to... Alright, Moaz, fuck off. I saw that message and I was like, who the fuck is asking this shit? And I saw it was you. I was like, yeah, that makes sense. You would be saying some shit like that. Okay, it's because there is that. Also, yeah, dictionary is a book filled with many words used as a paperweight. Sometimes I really like using a thesaurus because then I get to say words that sound more pretentious than they have any right to be, and also it has the word saurus in it, so it kind of sounds like a dinosaur.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I need to talk about something important that I already sent to JW, so he already knows about this.
I do.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
So Kit Fox Games, the publishers behind Dwarf Fortress, put out a trailer for the new Dwarf Fortress update that's coming later this year yesterday. And it is one of the best trailers for a video game I've ever seen. Here's the trailer. That's it, by the way. That's the whole trailer. It's so good. I don't think that there's like any other game in the world that would. Oh, there's autoplay in my fucking speaker set to. It's going through my monitor. Oopsies. They spent all their money on the magic cards. Yeah. No, they also did I'm gonna nerd out for just a moment. I need a quick break in the high concentration I was doing. So they also did loud. They also did this interview with the artist behind one of the artists behind the Dwarf Fortress Spice. I don't know if it was the only one, but they talked about a bunch of different dinosaurs. And of course, one of the main ways that they got dinosaurs is they just went around the office, and they were like, "Hey, developer, what's your favorite dinosaur?" And I think in a lot of jobs that wouldn't work, but because they're talking to nerds, they don't just get like T-Rex, Triceratops, whatever. They get just like some crazy ones. Like, look at this one, dude.
Biddy, I'm
Look at
so
that dinosaur.
confused here. I'm trying
It's
to
good.
figure out why. So on this one,
Mm-hmm.
the glow here, the Z index is 0. The
Zero, okay.
renderers, the outer one is 1 or 0, and the inner one is 1, which is exactly the same as the laser pointer, where the glow is 0.
Okay.
The inner one is 1, and the outer one is 0. So I'm trying to figure out why it's not displaying as it should. You can see the blue still goes up over top of the
Can you
thing there.
Can you get the game paused when it's doing things? I'm gonna put
The
extra.
only thing that I'm seeing different here is this one is underneath laser visual here, but this has no changes to like the ordering or anything, so I wouldn't think that would make a difference.
Can you go to game?
And I literally copied these directly
to the
from
game.
here. Go to the game.
Go to the game. Go to the game.
Yeah.
Open up debug. Time scale. Just time. Turn on frame advance. Hold down shift until it fires the laser, and then let go of shift. Okay. Yeah, I see it's in front of it.
Yeah.
Let me take a look at the laser pointer really quickly.
I mean, like, I'm sure I could do some stuff with like layering and stuff to get it to work, but I'm just so confused at why it's not working. 'Cause that's here. Is it because of the ordering? No, this is still 0.
So what you could do while the game is paused, by the way, is you can check the remote tab and see
I guess, yeah.
what it's looking like. I'll check mine as well because I'm firing the laser currently.
Yeah, you check the laser. Flying fire projectile enemy. Beam shooting component. Glow. According to this is the index of 0. The line render is at 0 and 1, and the ordering is as expected, I think. Yeah.
Hold on.
Wait, what order does it render? Like, so when it gets to laser visual, does it render all of the children before it moves on?
I don't know.
So I'm wondering if that's what the difference is.
Yeah, I have no idea. I do need to use the bathroom really quickly though, so I'm gonna leave you on stream while you try to debug this real quick.
Oh, that looks. I don't know why I did that. Interesting. I'll just move them around until it works, you know? I love ordering.
Alright, I'm back. Made any headway?
No,
Okay, that's good.
I'm just like moving stuff around until it maybe works, but
What
it's
is
not
this?
making a difference.
Is this the... No, this isn't... Right, this is not even... This is where it's landing, right? Yeah.
Let me check the
That's
script
so
in
long.
here to see where it's rendering the lines. If it's like maybe doing something weird in there.
It is, the lines are rendered as sprites in the level, so they should be attached directly to the level currently if your game is still paused.
I see, okay. It's not... No, it's not currently paused. Also, it's doing weird stuff again. So, I guess... Here, let me...
Yeah, so right now it should be under hub level and like the actual
Yeah.
world. Shouldn't be two sprites at the bottom.
Sprite 2D3. Okay, you. Here's the index is 0, which that's correct, that should be. Yours the index is 1. So I'm guessing it's something with, since these are just relative to like the level and the other one, it's relative to like the enemy and or the player.
Oh yeah,
The
it might
player's
be that the
Z-index would make a difference on the Z-index
Yeah, it might
of
be
the
that.
laser pointer, which, yeah, if you add them all up, would make a difference. So that makes sense, I see.
Yeah, because I think the player's on a higher Z index than the enemy. So you'll just have to increase the amount
Yeah.
by 1 for the sprite.
Yeah, so the only
Or the
issue,
liner. You wanted the sprite to be up by 1, right?
yeah, if I make this -1, is that going to go behind the enemy is the question.
If you make it -1, it would go behind the enemy, yeah. And it would also go behind the line, which is not what you want, right? I thought you wanted it to be in front of the line.
Oh yeah, I do, don't I?
Yeah,
Yeah, that should work
Oh,
then, I
maybe.
think. Yeah,
we'll find out, I guess.
I don't know what's going on anymore, it's okay.
That's okay, me neither. Which is only a little scary considering that I'm the one that wrote the damn thing, but it's fine. Mostly, probably. Maybe not, but that's okay.
It's okay, I'm wasting half the stream trying to get this to work. It's fine.
It's not a waste. Probably.
There we go, that looks better. The only issue now is the player. goes in front of the little, or it goes behind the little beam circle thing. That's probably not the end of the world. So there might be some
Not really,
weird
I don't think.
layering issues. Let's see. There's
You could
no-
also potentially. I mean, I don't know what the.
Oh, also I improved this, by the way. In case you didn't
Oh,
see, it
nice.
also plays a little sound as well. You hop in and out.
Oh, that's cool.
Can
You might be able to lower the Z index of the line renderers, actually. Although, no, actually, just kidding. I lied.
No, I tried that because then it ends up going like behind like the banners and stuff. So I think this is gonna be the best option.
Yeah, I mean, I'm assuming the glow sprite will not be active.
Yeah, it won't be
right?
active for that long. Also, listen to. Hey, I'm gonna pause my music. Listen to how cool this sounds.
All right, let's listen to how cool this sounds. Oh, yeah, you have a good one. Have good food. I wish your Discord stream and audio synced up in the slightest.
Are they not?
They are very off.
Okay. Well, just imagine it sounding cool. It sounds really
Well, I
cool when you
can-
get hit.
Yeah, it sounds cool. It doesn't look
look
and sound
cool.
cool, unfortunately. It doesn't like
Really?
the,
Yeah.
the audio is happening
I'm
way
resuming
before
my
the
music. Ow. Okay, now I just need to make these like show up when the. So they're a little too big. They could be a little smaller.
Oh, sorry. This thing. I was working on this and I literally had this printing so many times. I'm like, oh, why isn't this printing? It totally is. It's because it's called card stats and that is printing. So what I have to do is.
Uh,
The issue with this is that I need you to be split based on semicolon, I guess. So what this will be is hopefully an array that is the two different types being 4 and 27, I guess. Yeah. Can I convert you to an int? Can I say like 4 type indict types int type and just print that out? That'll get rid of the colon, hopefully. It totally does. Beautiful. I could maybe map that, but I'm not going to. Call this like split types, and then I'll actually put. Hold on. So I need to pass in what? Prop data for sure. Key type is going to be slightly annoying. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So key type is split types sub-0 as int, and then value type is split types sub-1 as int. Key type empty string null, and then value type empty string null. Something like that, and then I can say set type dict or name type picked. And then post load, I can see what is currently in card stats. Correct, perhaps. Let's not set this directly, and inside a card save, I'm going to get rid of this default value. Something like that. Dang, I thought you disappeared. Yeah. Something something reports of my death have been greatly exaggerated. Something something. Megamind or whatever. It's a very good movie, by the way. You should watch Megamind.
I know, I've seen
Have
it.
you seen Megamind?
Yeah, of course I have.
You have?
Why is this not working?
Why is what not working?
I'm trying to
never mind, I don't
set
care.
the mod. We're killing you. I'm trying to set the module of the little ball thing to the alpha curve of the line. And I guess it doesn't work.
Wait, what is can you go back and can you control click on line progress in the thing that you're looking at, or lifetime progress? Is that?
It's on a sprite line, which is the thing that's getting spawned, I assume.
Yeah, I don't remember if line progress is the percentage or if that is the current lifetime. I'll be real with you. I would control F for it.
Here we go.
Just
Is
a
equal to
nested class.
T. in the
Yes, so
line.
that is the percentage along the.
Okay,
thing.
so
you would
I
be
would.
using that directly.
Okay, so I would just pass in lifetime progress to the sample.
Yeah, yeah.
So this should maybe work now.
Hopefully. Maybe.
I don't think it is.
Looks
Oh,
like
maybe it is for like a frame. Hold up.
you can also, whenever the game is in that mode and it's paused, you can use period to go forward one
that's what
frame
it is,
instead
okay.
of having to shift through it.
I don't see it. Yeah, no, it's not there.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Print out the value and see what you're getting.
Yeah.
I don't know why you closed the game.
I don't know either. Don't worry
Weird.
about it.
Yeah, it's fine. I only added like hella tools to make sure we never have to close the game for most of what we're
Yeah, I
working
don't
on,
care. I'm
but-
still gonna close the game.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, I got this to work, so this loads. That's terrific. Yeah. There we go. All right, typed arrays and typed dictionaries are now being saved and loaded correctly. Hooray! Save. So you no longer need to be here. Bonk. You no longer need to be here. Bonk. And
I see it's 0 forever. I'm guessing it's because when does line get set? I think it's that the line isn't like stored for very long or something.
it should be. I think.
I don't know why it's not done. Unhit.
It might be that the lifetime progress. Check what lifetime progress is, because you're still sampling the curve, but you should check what the
Yeah.
direct value is.
Oh, it's just 1. Forever.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah. So what is on the line? What is actually sampling the? Wait, this is not what I want. I want line render. What is
Probably.
setting the line sprite dot what sprite dot texture material now? Or is it actually setting the alpha? Hello. slow.
Wait, why is this not saving? Why is this not saving? Why is this not saving anything? Everything's broken. What the fuck?
So it is doing it here where it says sample T. So handle line tween. Why is this not being set then? I'm confused. Something's not right.
Sounds about right to me.
So when is this? When is handle line tween called? A tween method. What does that do? Ah. There's too much stuff going on in here. You know what?
I'm so stupid. I didn't call the function called pre-save. I'm so dumb. So if I add bubble gun, brick, and glass gun now, and I reload and then hit F, it's those. If I hit Q and then hit F, it keeps what's loaded. And then if I were to add a bunch of cards that I don't currently have unlocked through debug, hit F, it shows all of them. If I hit Q, it should go back down. Oh my god, card saving and loading is in.
Okay, you want
Let's
to help me with this
go.
now?
Another goober stream.
don't
The
know
game's
why
looking
it's-
scrumptious. Thank you, thank you.
I don't know why this is working.
What's up?
I don't know
What's
why
the
it's not
problem, huh?
working. So in here where it's calling,
Mm-hmm.
this
I
is
clicked
the
on
right
screen.
file,
Sorry, guys.
line renderer.
Yeah.
In
what's up?
here, my mouse literally
Where?
doesn't work. It's setting. So here's where they set where the alpha curve is being set, or this modular of the actual line.
Yeah.
which is with T.
Is handle line tween being called anywhere?
Uh,
I checked for that.
it's being called in tween
Oh,
method.
yeah.
Yeah.
Tween time. Is tween time being called? Or tween line or whatever the fuck that is.
This
on
line
48 or whatever. The
48.
function that you're in currently.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Online updated. It's called. So. Yes. Line dot update.
Can you take a look
yeah.
at the line renderer really quickly in the inspector?
In here.
What's the line lifetime set to?
0.5.
0.5. Is that the only place where line lifetime's being used? Close the curve thing. We don't need to keep the curve open. Like you can
Yeah.
just like, click the thing to.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, it is. Set it to something like really large, like 5.
5. Okay.
Yeah, and then reload the scene.
It was updating some things before. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. Cool.
Oh, interesting. Now it's like doing stuff later, like as the number is
Weird.
changing, but like
The number
really
is
late.
changing. I don't know what the number.
Yeah, maybe I just do it this a different way.
Maybe, yeah.
Because I can just like sample. I could just like pull the curve and just like sample it manually.
Yeah, that might be the
Uh,
play.
yeah. So I can just do. Yeah, I'll just put the lifetime in here. Trying to think. I'll figure out something janky, but it'll work. Don't worry about it.
What did we want? Actually, make this working first, and you can work on the thing that you're working on. What the fuck are you?
Okay.
Why does it keep binder binder page stats is what it's called. Thank you. I thought I got rid of binder stat page because it's not a stat page, but apparently I didn't. Evil ass binder stat page keeps coming back to haunt me. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, I need to set this up to be a UI. UI group, which would be this entire thing, methinks. And then for each of these can be focus items, right? And you can also say bar focus item utility. No.
Okay, now this might work. For chance. Actually, I think I'll need to restart. Six, 7, 8:15 already. What the hell?
Yeah.
Thankfully, I don't work tomorrow.
Someone who has no clue about Godot, this looks so complicated. Trust me, as someone who knows a decent bit about Godot, it is still pretty complicated. So, but not complicated in the way of like, oh, this is really, really like impressive, but in a way of like, holy shit, this sucks.
Why is this like still not? It's like when there's a line, it's like inconsistent if there's a line or not. Like, no, it's consistent. It's just not working apparently.
Yeah, and he's yeah. Why?
So. Oh, I see. Oh, I think it's because lines never getting cleared, so it. No?
Oh, that might be the case. There, I can see that.
I'm confused. Because there's always a meow, but there's no not meow. It should have a not meow when there's not a line.
I believe whenever the line, or what is this thing on? This
is in physics. This is just in physics process. So if there's a line, it should print meow. If there's not a line, it should print not meow. But it's only printing meow.
You should print out what line is, or like, so you can see if line ever changes.
Here, we'll do that. I'll do that outside of this. Ref counted, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, it's never changing.
Okay. Yeah.
What is the line supposed to be? Where is this at?
It's supposed to be like the current line that exists, and I would think that it would like remove itself when it disappears.
Oh. This flying fire beam.
Sorry, my brother didn't realize I was streaming.
That's okay. I sure. Whoa. Oh no. So the
Am I stupid? Am I doing something wrong?
No, that's okay. No, you're not stupid. It's the way that the line works. So line does not get cleared when it's done rendering.
Mm-hmm.
Let me try to think of how to explain this. Lines will sometimes be cleared, but you will always have at least one line.
Okay, I'm just not gonna use the line then, unless there's like something obvious that.
So what is that? Line render, sprite line, line lifetime progress. Is this not being updated correctly? Online update?
No. The line like lifetime is not being set properly, or something's weird there. That's what I tried doing. So I'm just gonna,
Yeah. So, if you want to see whether or not the line is currently rendering, there is the sprites array. That will actually be cleared whenever the thing is not being used.
Okay, so I would say if line.sprites dot is empty.
You could just do if line dot sprites, because dot sprites like,
Okay.
will return
It would.
true or false based on if it's empty.
Oh, it does do that. Okay, I don't know if that's how that works.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if this. Okay, there we go. Now it's printing. It is printing not meow properly. Let me make sure it's printing meow in here. Because if it's not, then that's a problem. Ow.
Ow. You saved it while it was in the middle of a tween or some weird shit, so it's frozen. He doesn't know how to exist anymore.
Line doesn't exist.
The line hasn't been fired yet, so it's not
Yeah, so.
signed.
So
You can
should I
do
just...
line and line dot sprites.
Oh, does it check line first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know you could do that because usually I just do like nested evil.
Yeah,
like-
it's called that is called short circuiting, by the way. If if an if check ever evaluates to true or false, then it knows that it'll never change.
Okay, it's only
Uh-oh.
printing not meow now.
Weird. Let me look. This is basically the same thing that I've got the same thing that you've got basically, right, with flying fire beam. Does this have
Yeah.
a physics process? It does.
Yeah. Pretty much the only difference is I have like 2 of them. Okay, it's not still not doing anything. Hop on Magic Twin. Okay. Give me like.
What the fuck? When the fuck did this guy change?
Huh? Who?
Wait. Why do I have... What?
What?
Why do I have blue guy with bullet? I thought that I had red guy with beam.
Blue guy with bullet. Wait, what are you spawning?
I have blue guy with bullet. I don't know why.
Yeah. Are you spawning the beam guy?
I
Are you spawning flying fire beam or flyer flying?
Here's the hash slinging slasher or whatever.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. Yeah, we're good.
By the way, we are hopping on Magic tonight.
Are we?
Because
What?
Joe wants
Who
to
said-
play.
What? Why?
Yeah. Because he's evil. Nice. Hmm. Yeah, are either of those useful? Very useful. Okay, maybe we just like do a different solution here because I feel like we're just gonna waste a bunch of time here. And it's probably good to figure out so that way if we want to do other stuff in the future, but
Yeah.
it's a little silly at this point.
Who the fuck is this? This is not correct.
You know what?
Hmm.
This has a material on it. So I can't actually change the modulate on it.
What? Are you sure? What material is it?
Double check. But if I go to visibility modulate, yeah, I guess I can.
Yeah, a lot.
I thought,
I've learned how to make shaders actually respect modulate.
but it's not working here. I changed it so that theoretically it should, but maybe I'm just stupid.
Are you theoretically shooting it? You're doing line lifetime divided by current line lifetime.
Should it be the other way around? Okay.
Yeah.
I always
Small number
forget
divided
it.
by big number gives you a percentage of big number.
Yeah, there we go. Now it should just like blink, kind of.
Whatever, I'll worry about this another time. I've got cooler things to work on. So why the fuck? I thought I had these enable focus. I guess not. Oh, I definitely do.
Thoughts on Pikuniku 2 trailer? I haven't watched it yet.
What?
What?
That's weird. I've seen the fucking Pikuniku.
Yeah, well,
2
I don't
trailer.
I don't pay attention to things. You know this.
Oh, Moist Critical hadn't talked about it yet. I see. I understand, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only time they'll ever care about anything, is if
Mm-hmm.
Moist Critical tells you how to think. Ain't that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Here. Maybe this doesn't need to be a group, actually. Maybe the group is the friends we made along the way. Who knows? Hey, there we go. That works. Okay. Kind of.
Wait, when is... What is do attack called? I thought that was called like when it actually shoots. But is it not?
Should be. Maybe? I think so.
I'm so lost why this isn't working now. Because I'm setting... Yeah, that's weird. Basically, I'm setting it to 0 at do attack, the current line lifetime to 0, so that way it should like cycle through the alpha curve when as it attacks. But it's doing it like way early.
Are you print out current line lifetime, brother? Also, are you doing anything with current line lifetime? Are you like adding?
Yeah, I'm just adding it. I don't know what I'm doing.
That's okay. What function is that in?
Physics process?
It is? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, wait. What is this flying fire beam?
Oh, wait. It's only running it like sometimes.
Yeah, the... Can you do me a favor, JW?
What?
Can you go look at the top line of physics process, please?
Oh.
Because that was only, like... That was only coded to update things while it's preparing the attack, because otherwise we don't need to update the whatevers, so... If you wanted it to continuously update the visuals, then like
Put this above.
well, you could do that, or you could like, I mean, maybe I guess.
I just want to see if this like works.
Yeah.
There we go. That does kind of work, actually.
Yeah, the alpha curve is very harsh on that, so
Yeah, that's
could be that as well.
like. That's what I had it set to. I could probably like scale it as well with like the scale curve if I wanted to. Feels like it's slightly offset and it's bothering me. Maybe it's like a frame rate issue or something. Oh, what's the scale on this? Is this 4? Yeah, okay.
What? Fuck. Am I like stupid? I might be dumb. Or actually, it might be that I might be hovering something wrong. I wouldn't doubt that. Okay, that feels much more correct, yeah.
There we go, that looks pretty good now. Let me add some help below the eye. Now I just need to get the other end working. That'll be good. Pretty much. And that shouldn't be too hard. When it spawns the line render, it doesn't move at all, does it?
What do you mean? What?
Like, it doesn't move with the enemy, so I can just set the position of the impact one. Like, where it hits.
Correct, yeah.
And then it won't move. Okay.
Should be.
Also, a funny thing I discovered is the front one goes in front of the player, and the other one goes behind.
It's fire, honestly.
fine.
We're getting fucking diced up.
Yeah. Okay. So now we can just set an export for glow 2 or end glow, whatever we want to call it. We'll call it end glow, sure. And then we just copy paste. Then on do attack, or I guess I would do it when the line is created, or how do I get the endpoint of like where it hits? There's an on-hit thing here.
Mm-hmm.
Is it in there?
It is the so every position that is passed into that function is a place that it has hit. Which
so
will probably just be size 1 for your dude.
Okay, that's fine then.
It's not like a pierce. If it pierces, it will not report multiple things, but if it bounces, it will report multiple.
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So that's how, like,
Just one, you can just
theoretically,
grab the first
what we should be doing on the laser for having the different end glows, but for some reason there's only the one right now.
Yeah, I think it's like
Yeah.
in some way. Still coding in the year of our Lord 2026. You know it, Jose. How's it going?
Is that Jose?
no. Sorry, dog. I'm not on that vibe shit. I really hate vibe
Jeez.
coding, man.
That was a duck's export variable.
What the
I
fuck
should
am I
start
doing?
vibe coding Dante's name.
No, bad.
Oh,
Bad,
okay,
terrible.
Okay, sorry.
How you doing, Jose? How's it going? I need to... Sorry, hold on. So why am I getting this? I want to get the size of this. Pause. What is pause
That's
being used
not
as?
working. Oh, probably because end glow is hidden. Silly me.
Pause.x. Is this even fucking doing anything? Anyone know? Anyone know how stupid I'm being right now?
Okay,
'Cause I don't. I have no fucking clue what Fable is.
like that game.
Yeah, it's the game for the Xbox. Yeah, I know that one. Okay, so the only thing that actually gets used is this rect right here, which is fine, because what I can do is I can go here, I can go here, let's see, let me define this, like so, rect 2, if root dot parent at, and then otherwise,
Yeah, you'll probably add some like particles to it as well, like when it hits things. But overall, that looks a lot better now. Like
yeah.
you can see, like as they hit over there, there's like a wait.
Up?
Yeah, no, that's fine. Never mind. It just looked weird at first. But see, so like they shoot from here. Beam goes. It's there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, interesting. Only thing that's a little weird is since the little ball moves with the enemy, so if they move, the beam stays still, but the little ball moves with them, which is a little strange. So,
Yeah, it's like probably fine.
could I just
Hopefully.
fix that by making them like top level? Would that just work?
You could also you could also have the lines position. Yeah, you can just make it top level. It's fine.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was gonna say some evil shit. Sorry, you loaded Claude and your computer crashed. Oh no. No. Oh god, no. Not like this. Anything but. Yeah, I said I don't know what Fable is. I have no fucking clue what that is. I'm
It's
hoping
like
it's
that
not
game.
an AI thing, but it might be. Yeah, we're gonna run through this one again. It's the game for the Xbox. Yeah, Fable.
Mm-hmm.
Fable 1 was good. Fable 2 was decent. Fable 3 was terrible or something like that, I think is what I've heard. I don't know how true that is, but like I'll believe it. Parent bounds. Where are you?
This would also
Okay.
make layering easier, theoretically. I do also need to set the position of...
It's Anthropic's new LLM. For shame.
We might have to kill you.
That might be true, yeah. Sorry, Jose.
Hello, Thorny
Are we
boys.
hyped for good
Of
VidCon?
course we are.
Yeah, dude.
We're
You're
so
wait,
hyped
are
we
you going to
haven't even
Good-
gotten a hotel yet. Yes, he is going to GoodOcon.
Oh, you're going to GoodOcon? That's sick, dude.
Yeah.
Just fucking go. Yeah, yeah, that's true. We do need to get out soon. I'm just like, I'm holding off on it on like the off chance there's somehow like a dream or something, because like, why the fuck am I going back to Boston for like the third fucking time in the last year? Why do I live in Boston?
Because Boston is
I don't
just
get it.
goated like that.
I went from being in Boston one time as like a one-off thing to this is going to be my third fucking trip to Boston this year. I don't know why I live up in the Northeast, but I do.
It's kind of goated though, isn't it?
Ashton. It's pretty cool. I've been good though, Jose. How have you been doing? We are going to GodoCon in like a month or so. Oh, that's so weird.
That is in like a month. You're correct.
It is like very soon, yeah. It is like disgustingly soon.
You know what else is soon?
What?
Cat Secret Lair.
That's true. It's on Monday. I've heard
It's on Monday.
from people who are going to be buying that,
Yeah.
which isn't me. Probably. Well, what? Did they show what was going to be in the Cat Secret Lair?
Yeah.
Okay, let me take a look.
I'm
See.
probably going to get the
I'm gonna lose my
forget her
mind.
name,
By the way,
Vanessa
actually.
something, the artist
Uh,
who
where
makes Kevin the
is-
cat.
Here's this thing. Oh god, I see it. Oh. Where? Which
Here,
one?
let's
Is it?
review them live on stream.
You should be able to see the cat ones in there somewhere. They might not be on the. They should be on the secret. I would think they would be on the Secret Lair website, but if you just look up, it might just be on the regular Magic website as like the preview.
Weird.
Yeah, that
'Cause I
is
see it's,
weird.
like,
I would think that it
this,
would be on there.
Like coming soon thing.
Yeah, if you just like Google it, you
Honestly.
should find it though, because they do have like an official list of, I think, all of them. Yeah.
Oh,
So
is
it's the Garfield one,
these-
which I'm not the biggest fan. Like they're kind of funny, but
I like
I'm not
this
like
one.
a huge Garfield
The
fan.
Beast Within, dude. Oh my god, dude, look at this. This is actually like a crazy. There's actually like a hidden detail here. It's so he's like tearing up the calendar, and it's like, whatever. No, he's actually only tearing up Mondays. It's like a.
because it says I hate Mondays. Whoa.
However, there's
Isn't
a little
that
bit of inconsistency here.
crazy?
You can see that the line goes down the middle of this, but he very clearly tore it in the middle of where there's no line. So the consistency is a little weird, but
Maybe the line's on the other side. Maybe there's like some weird pattern or something.
that wouldn't make any sense. Why would the other side have a fucking thing
Don't
on
worry
it?
about it. It's fine.
It wouldn't make any sense on the other side
Okay.
because a calendar isn't double-sided. This doesn't even say what month it is. You know what? This sucks.
Yeah, it kind of does.
Oh, another soul ring. They have to always put a soul ring in.
Yeah,
off the
I
ball.
wish they had a better
This
soul
is-
ring, because
Target player can't cast spells this turn.
it's kind of fire.
You like the new chat overlay? It's
You
very
should like
stylish.
it,
The
though.
new chat overlay was an accident because my settings broke, and the program lied to me, so I just went with a backup. Oh, it looks really bad on this actually. Let me fix this. Calendars of 5 rows a days. I don't know how to tell you this. Oh, wait a minute. No, you've actually taught us something. You've actually shown us something crazy. You're so right. JW, what
What?
month is this? What month is
Uh,
this calendar for?
February?
It's February. It's always February because it has 28 days.
Whoa, that's
What the
crazy.
hell?
Okay.
That's crazy.
Anyways, next.
Um,
Next.
Hold on, I gotta fix my chat window to make it not.
Arr.
Oh shit! I just killed my chat window. Fuck! 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 Hold on, sorry. Give me a second. I'm still learning Linux. There we go. Okay. All right. Next. Oh, more secret.
Yeah,
layer.
there's more Garfield ones, yeah. More secret
More
layer, yeah.
Garfield. Counter.
Those ones, I think
this
I like
one.
those ones a little bit better if I was to get those. Those are,
Yeah, they look like the original comics instead of
yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, that looks fucking cool. What the hell? I
That
like the
is
style of
cool.
this one.
I didn't
it's
realize there's
tough
3
ones.
Garfield ones.
Yeah, I didn't either. I mean, I didn't expect there. Whoa, what the fuck? Why are you drawn like that? That's crazy.
Those ones are kind of cool. I don't think I saw these
I like the
ones.
texture on this a lot. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
that's kind of cool.
It's February 2026 actually, in several of the years because February only starts on a Sunday every 11-ish years. Yeah, I think it's 11 years is the every time it loops around.
That
I
one's
think
kind of tough.
on like my 32nd or 33rd birthday, I'll have my birthday be on a Friday the 13th.
The
looks kinda cool.
lasagna on the spear is kind of tough.
Whoa. Oh my god,
Holy,
this is
that's
fucking
fire.
crazy. This is like an Adult Swim bumper kind of fucking thing. It's fire.
Yeah, that's the one I'm getting
Oh.
there. I'm 1000%
Ooh.
getting that one. It's
That's
so
cute.
good.
That's really good. Bro, you're
Yeah.
old. Jose, I don't want to... Get your fucking 45-year-old ass out of here. That's not true. He's not 45. He's like, you might be like 32. I don't remember though. I'll be real with you. 31, 32, 30. I don't know.
67.
I don't remember people's ages, to be honest with you. That's cute. I thought that these were references to Ghibli at some point. Like I thought this was like Soot Sprites, but no, it's just like
No, it's
like
Kevin
the
the
void
cat.
shapes. Which is familiar. Is this an original thing by?
No,
Super
this is
Bear?
another artist.
Or is this-
I don't remember. I haven't seen them before, but it is another artist.
You have hex proof? Just in general? That's
I
so
didn't know that was a thing.
you have hex proof. I think that probably only means you yourself, but not your
Yeah,
creatures, because your
yeah.
creatures are not you. That's interesting.
So like you cannot be targeted.
Cool. Ooh.
Yeah, those ones are kind of neat.
A2 life add spell can't be countered. Ooh, that's actually cool as well. That spell can't be countered. Ooh, Felix the cat. Let's fucking go.
I do not know who Felix the cat is.
It's an old cartoon? Comic? One of the two? I
Yeah.
don't actually remember. But no, it looks very much like this really cool game called Toon Souls. Super cool.
All right, we're killing you.
Oh god. Some of these look so cool.
Yeah.
I don't care enough to go through those though. What were the other?
Yeah, there was.
Where did I find the rest of these?
I've seen some other cards,
Ugh.
so I don't know if those are like extras or like if there's another one they haven't revealed yet. I would think that's all of
Is
them.
this the thing? Yeah, we're back on that.
But I'm sure I've seen at least like one or two others that weren't in there. So
Can I not see like? I guess I could just search up secret layer. I don't remember what the other secret layers were. Oh yeah, there's that one that Justin got. That I think he said. Did he say it already arrived for him? I don't remember.
yeah,
Real
he
with
already
you.
got his. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
That's cool. No, that's sick.
You haven't gotten yours.
That's
yet.
great. Hmm?
You haven't gotten yours yet.
Well, like, I mean,
Yeah.
I didn't say that. I mean,
Yeah, we know, but we know you got him.
yeah, I mean, where's the secret layer even at? I don't even.
You
I'm
passed
trying to-
it.
Did I
Like
pass
a
it?
lot. It's like on the first page. It's in the.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. I'm pretty sure it's in the. It's where is it? You go back. It's in one of the super drops. It's not going to have its own page.
Oh, back to school.
Yeah, it's
yeah.
the back to school one.
Yeah.
Were they even? Was there any
Right.
other good ones in there? I said there was the.
Ah, here they
It's
are.
so
dude.
ugly.
They're so
They're
good.
so ugly.
See, my favorite part about these is that it's for Dwarf Fortress. But if you'll notice, creature demon, creature dragon, enchantment, land, sorcery. There's not even a
single
fucking dwarf in the cards. There's not even a dwarf. Also, this is the thing, Terror of
Yeah.
the Peaks. It's a flying dragon, but dragons in Dwarf Fortress can't fly. And so
Yeah.
Tarn was like, well, maybe the dragon had just been launched. And I think that's great.
Yeah, no, they're so ugly. But that's okay.
No, it's so good, dude. I love them. I love them so much, dude. They're so good. Let's see. I mean, these were kind of cool. These are just like this feels like Fire Emblem characters have been announced for Smash. Like it's like, oh, this is anime. Yeah, sure. I don't know what these are, but this specifically looks
Those might.
cool.
I think those might just be like original. Because sometimes they just do ones
Yeah, they
that are just,
might be.
like cool original art.
And then they have the My Little Pony.
I really wish they had some lands in the cat one. I really wish I could get some like cat lands,
Catlands.
but there was no like dedicated lands.
What do you want
That's
these
just sad?
to say?
Lightning, whatever.
Lightning.
Yeah. So I think it would say like lightning affinity at the top, and then it would say like sources, card whatever, however many cards, however many items, and then
I see.
I don't know if we would want to have it show like the level up. We could probably have it show like the level up things on there, maybe. I'm trying to think. I'm not 100% sure, so I would just start messing with text and see. It is almost 9 o'clock though, so I may end stream soon, since 1, I'm fried, and 2, people want to play Magic. I should send a message to other people to see if they want to join.
People want to play Magic.
Yeah.
Who's people? It's just you and Joe, isn't it?
Yeah, but like other people might want to join, you know.
What were we calling physical affinity?
We were calling it physical.
Well, no, because we were gonna do like that's the physical stat, and then it's like aspect, or like it's like your stat's called Doom, but then it's like the aspect
like
of that.
Still.
Okay.
I would just call it physical for now, because like I don't know, what else would we call physical?
Strength. I don't know, man.
I don't know, but saying like, oh, your strength or your physical damage and your strength affinity, like then how do you know that those two are related? Like, I mean, yeah, you can kind of assume
like,
that
use
they
your
might
brain?
be. Not necessarily, though.
God forbid we ask players to think.
Yeah, the problem is they don't.
That's crazy. Did you hear what JW said, everybody? JW just said, none of you think.
Yes,
He said, I hate everybody in this chat right now.
Players don't think.
Everybody.
They don't.
He said, everybody here sucks. Why is this the old tooltip theme?
It's not that's not the old. That's the regular tooltip theme. What do you mean?
Is that the regular tooltip theme? I thought I would have gotten the update from this thing.
No, because that just changes like regular panels. It doesn't change like the special, because the tooltip has like special panels. Those are different than like the old panels.
Oh, I see.
Yep.
Okay.
I think that looks fine. The tooltip theme, I like it.
Sure. Yeah, and then I'll make this actually like snap to the thing. I was experimenting with having this be like a floating thing instead of snapping to the bar, which is what it's doing here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You already have a way to do that, to snap it to like containers and stuff.
Yeah, that's what it's doing right now. But I was experimenting with making it so that we could admit this, so that it could instead follow the mouse, because
okay,
it wasn't doing this before.
I see.
Yeah. Like
no, I think it should snap to the container.
Eh.
Maybe, I don't know.
Probably. Also, it's navigatable through arrow keys.
Oh, tough. Yeah, that's like the important thing. Should probably have like a little outline on it as well. I can.
Yeah, I will.
Maybe do something with that.
But yeah, I'm using controller right now.
Yeah.
As we're sitting here, I'll just,
or something that
like,
Safiria does that's kind of cool. I think an outline would be better, but something cool that Safiria does is they just have like a little sparkle effect that goes over so whenever you focus something, it just has like a little sparkle on it. So they can just make like anything focusable, and they don't have to make like a special outline or something. So like you could focus like the stats and stuff too, like the little text boxes, and they just have like a little spark on them.
Yeah. Imagine that instead of this cursor being what's shown in the binder, Dante's little paw comes up from the bottom, and as you like rotate it around, it like follows where your mouse is.
No, because that would take up way too much space. But we can totally make the cursor a little paw, because we do need to make custom cursors that aren't just like the little aiming thing.
Yeah, you add the sprites for that, and I got you.
Okay, sounds
that
good.
shit's easy to add. Does this even know about affinity right now? How the fuck are you getting affinity? Oh, I see. Let's save this off to a variable, I guess, so that I can use this later. You like that the filler text is cat noises? Yeah. Me too.
Meow, 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 meow.
I think if you use lorem ipsum as your filler text for everything, you're just gonna get bored. So like you gotta have like a little fun with it. Okay, no, it's fine, JW. Yeah, it's chill. Yeah. Yeah. Affinity dot get affinity for the current stat, which is stat class. Stat affinity. If I guess if not affinity, return. And then if not stat affinity. That's how I spelled that. Return. And then what I can do is I can say print stat affinity. Okay. Yeah, it's chill. That's weird. What? Oh, because I need to do this because it didn't assign it to the class, right? Yeah, there we go. Sources. Cool. Source. 30 sources. Crazy that that's actually just the entire loop of the fucking. You just listen to this song the entire time you're going through the tunnel in Pokemon Snap. That's fucking insane.
Yeah, a little bit.
Or do you? Does it go quiet midway through? It might actually. I need to play Pokemon Snap again. Is basically what that comes down to.
Nostalgia slob.
So what did you want this to display? You wanted it to display whether or not it was from like how many were from cards and how many were from whatever's.
Yeah, that would probably be good.
You don't want like the specifics.
Nah, because that would take up like way too much space.
Okay. What would you want it to say, actually?
I don't know.
Like, when, I guess I could just say, like, cards.
I mean, you could say like sources and then cards, items, or something like that. I can always go in and make it nicer.
Hooray! That kind of works. Let me tab this over, perhaps. I think that works, right? Totally does. Yay, look at that, JW. Whoa.
Whoa.
And if I were to add in... I don't know how many of these have sources, but...
A lot of
Or how many of these have things assigned to them, but look at that.
them.
Item, what?
It's only saying cards.
Hmm.
It's not items.
Yeah, I don't know why. Did I fuck something up? The answer's definitely. Oh, because it's base relic. Lol. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Whoa.
Whoa.
Hooray, yippee, yip, 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 yippee. Why the fuck is that based off of base relic, actually? What the hell? Weird. Whatever. Okay. I think that's maybe where we call it for today.
Yep, sounds good. Get me out of here.
I guess like for the... What in the fucking world was that?
Huh?
Why did that...
Why did what?
I don't... It played like this, the sound from this, but it went like hella hyperdrive mode. I don't know what the hell that was.
Cool.
Weird. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Card saving works, which is cool and fun. It's not super complex right now, but it does save what... It doesn't save what you've discovered, but it saves what you have unlocked. So if I hit F, you can see I only have these available. And then if I add some cards in here, and then go here to restart game, I believe this saves it. So now those are all the cards that I have unlocked, which is cool and fun. I need to choose where we're loading and saving that, but you should be able to, with relative ease, say whether or not a card is unlocked. And I actually, here, I'll show you how this works because I didn't get your feedback on this. Are you looking?
I'm looking.
What? So
What?
there's this thing. Locking. It's on.
I see.
It's off. And I was gonna originally have like something here where it was like a locking source, which would be like if it's from like the shop, if it's from like whatever. So if you went here and turned on locking, then you would be able to interact with this variable, but otherwise it's not there.
Yeah.
Because it's one of those group things. I actually really like this change that they added to Godot. Being able to enable or disable groups is really cool. But anyways, that's what we're gonna call it for now, for tonight.
Yep.
So thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We will be back on Sunday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully we will have some really cool stuff done by then.
Yeah.
If not, you can come by and hang out as we do really cool stuff.
True.
But until then, I will catch you guys